Alright, so this is the microphone test for the Astro A50 wireless gaming headset. This is the Generation 4 headset. I'm going to start with a few things in the background to see if you can hear the background sounds. Alright, I'm going to start with dogs barking. That is the sound of dogs barking. Alright. We've got that just chatting and talking normally. Maybe a little loud now, maybe a little louder. And now a little softer, softer, softer. Check, check. Peter Piper, all right. Now I am done. All right, now we have kids talking in the background. So, talking in the background. Just chatting and talking normally, maybe a little loud now, and a little softer now. Check, check. Peter Piper, all right, now I am done. Alright, now having some music in the background. Just chatting and talking normally, maybe a little loud now, and maybe a little softer now. Alright, and now having some TV in the background. Just chatting and talking normally, maybe a little loud now, maybe a little loud now, and now a little softer. Check, check, Peter Piper, alright, now I'm done. Alright, so now the next part is going to be if someone is talking next to you. So someone is now talking next to me. I'm going to be quiet sometimes. Louder others. And now a little softer. Check, check. Peter Piper. All right, now I'm done. All right, and then the last test I'm going to do is mouse sounds. So clicking the mouse now. Quiet. And then I'm going to talk over it. And then also a typing test. So now I am going to start typing. I have a Logitech keyboard with G roamer switches. Okay, can you hear that? All right, and that concludes the test.